Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an outline in Microsoft Word. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a blank page over here. We want to create an outline. Now, there are a few ways to do this. The quickest, easiest way to do this, and you'll be able to do it on your desktop app, is if you go over to View in your ribbon, you will have a Create Outline button, which you can just tap on, and you'll be able to create an outline. But more or less the same if you are doing it in your browser version. If you're in your web version, go to Home, and here you will see styles. Okay, so once you're in here, you'll be able to actually click, and now you are going to lay out all of your headings or your titles. So I am using my my Windows key and V to bring up my clipboard, and over here you can see I've got everything that I need. So first of all, title. Then I'm going to put in my introduction. Then after my introduction, I've got that body text. After the body text, I've got my first heading. After the first heading, I've got body text again. Then I've got second heading. Then I've got the body of text, and then my conclusion. Okay, so you can even put a subtitle here as well if you would like to, but ultimately once you've got all of this laid out, whatever your headings will be, you have to now go ahead and start from the top. So go ahead, click over here, make sure that your cursor is here, go up to styles, use this drop down menu and select title. This will now make it the title. Now go to your subtitle, go and use the drop-down menu and go to subtitle. Go and select it. From here, your introduction, you can either use heading 1 or heading 2, whichever you prefer. And you can see that you've got a shortcut. So this shortcut is Control, Alt, and 1. Okay, so let me show you. So you've got it selected there. You go Control, Alt, 1. And then you can just click there, Control Alt 1, second heading, Control Alt 1, and your conclusion, Control Alt 1. Of course, you can see heading 2 is Control Alt 2, and then you could use that as well. So now you've got an outline, and you can just add your body text or whatever else you need to add in here. But that's the sort of quickest, easiest way to create an outline.